Today, I'm going to present my terminal application. I hope this application could help people plan and organize to-dos through create to-do lists, edit existing lists, delete and view existing lists, and also export all non-empty lists. Because of the I hope people can use this app to create multiple to-do lists. So this app has a 4-level structure. On level one, the app is focused on the list collection level, including initialize an empty list collection once the user runs the app, and then export the list collection once the user exits the app. And on the list level, the user can create, edit, delete, and view a list. Because the list consists of multiple tasks, so this app has a third level, allow the user to edit the tasks, edit and remove the task from the list. And because each task has 3 elements: name, priority, and due date, so this element forms the 4th level of the app. If the user wants to do something on level 1, the user can do something on the list collection level. Once the user runs the app, the app will create an empty list collection for the user to store the lists they created during the use of the app. And if the user wants to exit the app, the app will check if the list collection is empty or not. If it's empty, the user will exit the app straight away. If not, the app will ask the user if they would like to save and export their list collection or not. If the user say yes, the app will ask the valid file name from the user and then save an Excel file in the user's working directory. On the list level, if the app will ask the user to select what they would like to do, and according to their option, the app will direct the user to the next direction, to the right direction. Because the user can't edit, delete, and view an empty if the list collection is empty. If the list collection is empty, the user can't edit, delete, and view the list. So the app needs to check it before redirect the user to that 3 options. If the user wants to create a new list, the app will obtain the valid information from the user, including the list name, the task name, priority, and the due date, and then using this information to update the list collection, and then keep asking the user if they would like to add another one or not, until the user quits this step. If the user wants to edit an existing list, the the app will ask the user to select a list first, and then select an edit method, and then redirect the user to the next step. If the user wants to delete a list, the app will ask the user to choose a list and then delete it from the list collection. The app will keep asking the user if they would like to delete another one or not until the list collection becomes empty or the user quits the step. If the user wants to view a list, the app will ask the user to select a list from the list collection and then display the list on the screen. If the user wants to do something on the task, the app will redirect the user to the level 3. If the user wants to add a task to the list, the app will ask the user to provide valid information and then update the list collection. The information including the list, the item's name, priority, and the due date. And the app will keep asking the user if they would like to add another item or task until the user quits this step. If the user wants to modify a task in the task of the list, the app will ask the user to select an item and its element first, and then redirect the user to the right direction. If the user wants to remove an item from the list, the app will check if the list is empty or not, because the user can't remove a task from an empty list. If the list is not empty, the app will ask the user to select one task and then update the list collection. The app will keep asking the user if they would like to remove another task or not until the list becomes empty or the user quits this step. If the user wants to edit the task's name, priority, and due date, the user need to go to this level. If the user wants to change the task's name, the app will display the current name first and then ask the user to provide a valid new name and update in the list collection. The process for change the task's priority level and due date is similar to the process to update the name. That's all. Thanks for your time.